Hey guys, today I'm going to bake some chicken thighs, so let's get toasting. I have a tray of chicken thighs here, actually half a tray. I cooked half of them last night in the slow cooker, but that recipe didn't turn out, so I'm going to do these in my toaster oven. So these were $2.99 per pound, was $12.32 for this tray of chicken thighs. They're getting expensive. The organic ones are like $8.99 a pound around here. So let me rinse these off real quick. 4 chicken thighs fit perfectly in this cast iron skillet. I already seasoned the bottom. I'm using the rub by the J. Christopher Company. Has that purple color, it has sumac in it. It's some type of a berry. Has kind of a citrusy flavor. So I use this one quite a bit for meat and barbecue. Alright, and it's pretty light on the salt, so I'll just hit these with a little bit of kosher salt as well. We'll get them into my toaster oven. I usually cook chicken thighs until the internal temperature is about 175 degrees Fahrenheit, and I have a quick read thermometer here that I can check them with, but I'm going to set the oven to bake at 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'll let you guys know how long that takes. It's been 45 minutes, so I'm going to pull these out and check on them. Let's take their temperature here. That one's 203. This one over here is 207. So they're done. So these were in there 45 minutes and they look good. One thing about chicken thighs is they don't really dry out if you overshoot the cooking temperature like I did there. These went over 200 degrees and the meat looks nice. It looks moist. Let me get a piece of the skin with it too. See how nice and crispy the skin is. It came out real good. Nice and juicy and the skin's nice and crispy. Well, I guess we better let Annie try it. What's wrong with your foot, Annie? Did you hurt your foot? We better take a look at that after this. There you go. Well, that worked out real good. I'll write everything in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.